Also, we are going to discuss more on inductors. Problem on inductor. Consider the inductor, and we have to apply. We have to consider three different cases. Here, in case one, we have to apply square wave signal to the inductor, whose value is 10 volt minus 10 volt. It is a square wave T by 2 capital T. And initial current through inductor is 0 amperes. Now let us assume some value, suppose L is equal to 2 Henry. I of 0 minus is equal to 0. Now consider during this interval, consider the case 1 square wave 10 volt minus 10 volt. During 0 less than t less than capital T by 2, and V of t is equal to constant, that is equal to 10 volt. Now current I of t is equal to 1 by 2 integral 10 into, here it is 0 to t by 2 into t. Then constant of integration is t, that is equal to I of t is equal to 1 by 2 10 into t, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 into t is equal to t by 2. That is equal to 10 t by 4. Now here the shape of the current signal is that is equal to some constant into time. It is a linearly increases with respect to time. So that finally is that is equal to 2 to 5. That is equal to 5 t by. So maximum value is at t by 2, A of t is equal to slowly linearly increases, and maximum value is equal to 5 into capital T by 2. Now the expression for this one is 5t. The expression is I of t is equal to 5 into capital T. Now at t is equal to t by 2, some switching action taking place. Now input signal voltage signal is suddenly changed from 10 volt to minus 10 volt. Okay, at this point some switching action taking place, input signal suddenly changed from 10 to minus 10 volts. Now what happens? Already we know that inductor, in an inductor, what is the initial condition in inductor? Initial condition I of 0 plus is equal to I of 0 minus. That means here based on that I of t by 2 plus is equal to I of t by 2 minus. So here they just greater than t by 2 plus also same as t by 2 minus. But what happened here? But input signal is, it is in negative direction. Input is minus 10 volts. Due to this what happened means the current slowly decreases and becomes 0. Okay, same as this one. Only thing is input is minus 10 volt, so that the output is slope is negative. Negative slope at t is equal to capital T, current is equal to 0. So that is the first case. Coming to the second case, and here the important observation here is, okay, here what is the integration here? Here how much of area is equal to 10 into t by 2 area, this area. Here also minus 10 into t by 2 this area. That's why the current will become the initial value. What is the initial value is 0. Now coming to here. Okay, here the values are 10 volt minus 5 volt, and the duration is 5 seconds. Here the negative duration is 10 seconds. Now here the condition is during this interval 0 less than t less than 5 seconds. During this interval, what is current I of t is equal to 1 by L is equal to 2 integral 0 to 5 and 10 into that is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 into t, that is equal to 5 into t. Now t value is equal to 5 seconds. Now 5 into 5, that is equal to 25 amperes. Okay, at maximum, okay, this is expression for I of t. I of t is equal to 5t and I of t maximum is equal to 25 amperes. Now the shape is this is a linear or ramp. So that slowly increases, and here the maximum value is 25 amperes. Now come to the another interval. Another interval 5 less than t less than 15 seconds. Now observe here, in positive cycle, how much of area here? Area is equal to, this is area is equal to 10 into 5, that is 50 volt seconds, that is the area. Similarly in negative cycles, what is here? Voltage is equal to 5 into time is equal to 10. Here also 50 volt seconds. Here 10 into 5, 50 volt seconds. Here also integration is nothing but area. Here also area is equal to 5 into 10. Here voltage is 5, but time is 10 seconds. Here voltage is 10, time is only 5. Okay, and you have 10 into 5, 50. Here also 5 into 10, 50. So that finally the current, okay, here also initial conditions I of 5 plus is equal to I of 5 minus, same current, but the voltage is negative voltage, so that the slope is negative. Slowly and finally it becomes 0. Finally it comes down to 0. Why? Because the area under the positive is equal to area under the negative, so that the current will become initial current. What is initial current is equal to I of 0 minus is equal to 0. Now coming to the last case. Okay, here the last case is, observe here, a positive cycle 10 into 5, same as previous case 10 into 5. So that the current is equal to, slowly increases, okay, 5t. At 5 it is the maximum, that is equal to 25 amperes. Okay, here the slowly increases. At 5 seconds, then I of t is equal to 25 amperes. Now consider during this case, what is this case? 5 less than t less than 7 seconds, and to calculate current, what is current? I of t is equal to 1 by L integral. Okay, here final time is here only, the time is only 2 seconds. Here the time is only 2 seconds. Here the area is, 10 into 5, so 50 volt seconds. Okay, here the area is 10 into 2, only 20 volt seconds. That means the current is not come down to 0. Okay, now current value is, that is equal to some minus 10 into, this is 5 to 7 dt, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into, if the minus is nothing but negative slope, right? 10 into 10 into t, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 10 into 2, that is equal to 2. So here the 10 amperes. Okay, then I of t is equal to 10 amperes. Okay. Now here come down to current is equal to that is equal to 10 around here. Okay, this value is equal to 10 amperes. Now what happened? Greater than 7 seconds, t greater than 7 seconds. Now what happened? T greater than 7 seconds means, again based on the initial condition, what is I of 7 minus is equal to I of 7 plus. Okay, due to this what happened means that is constant, so it maintains a constant. Like that you have to find current through the inductor based on the input waveform also, right? And once again here the condition is the first condition, it is a square wave, so that the above the 0 axis area is equal to below the 0 axis. That's why we are getting the current positive direction as well as in negative slope also, and finally current is equal to 0. Coming to the last case, here the case is, here in positive direction the area is equal to only 50 volt seconds, whereas in negative direction area is equal to 20 volt seconds. Okay. Here we already calculated the same, the current is equal to 5 into t, 5 into 5, 25 amperes. Okay. Now this is the expression is I of t is equal to 5 into t, t is equal to 5, 25 amperes. Now coming to the negative cycle, here the negative cycle is, the current simply slope is negative. Here observe the negative cycle area, here this area is equal to only 20 volt seconds. Now we calculated the current at 7, and our current at 7 is equal to 10 amperes. Then after t greater than 7 seconds also it maintain a current is equal to 10 ampere current. So this is about inductor problem. Now we move to another important circuit element, that is the capacitor. Okay, already you know the capacitor symbol, and this is the charge, this is the positive place, this is the negative plate. This is the voltage across capacitor VAB or V of t, and capacitor is denoted as some capacitors. Now already you know the well-known equation, V is equal to Q by C, and also Q is equal to integral minus infinity t into I of t, where I is equal to establish a charge on capacitor C, you must pass a current on some time, right? Now what is current? Current I is equal to ampere, that is equal to coulombs per second. That means what it indicates, to establish a charge, here I have to write, to establish charge on capacitor C, we must pass a current sometime, current through capacitor some time. So I is equal to ampere, that is equal to coulombs per second. You must pass a current through the capacitor sometime, then there establish a charge on the capacitor. Once you get the charge on the capacitor, then voltage is equal to Q by C. Then the basic terminal voltage relationship, V is equal to 1 by C integral minus infinity t into I of t into dt. Now coming to the initial conditions, again we have to use same basic equation. V of t is equal to 1 by C integral minus infinity t I of t into dt. That means the present value of voltage not only depends upon the present value of current, it also depends upon the minus infinity. That means the present value of voltage depends upon the previous value of current also. So that it is a dynamic element, or it is a memory element. Why? Because the present value of voltage not only depends upon the present value of current, it also depends upon the previous history of current. Okay, that's why this is a memory element. This can be written in same as an inductor in terms of 3, that is minus infinity to 0 minus I dt plus 1 by c integral 0 minus to 0 plus I dt plus 1 by 2 integral 0 plus 2 t I dt. Same integral can be expanded into using 3 terms, minus infinity to capital T. Okay. Now suppose if you want to calculate V of 0 plus. Okay, based on this basic equation, 1 by c minus infinity to 0 minus I of t dt plus 1 by c 0 minus to 0 plus I of t dt. Okay, now this is a voltage. Here something like the shape of the signal is like this. This is the 0 plus and 0 minus. Just after 0, just before 0. That is a voltage almost constant. Constant of integral almost this term is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. That means what it indicates here, V of 0 plus is equal to 1 by c integral minus infinity to 0 minus I of t dt plus 0. So this can be written as, according to basic equation, 1 by c integral minus infinity to 0 minus. So now this expression is V of 0 minus. Okay, here it is V of 0 plus. That means in a capacitor, the initial condition is V of 0 plus is equal to V of 0 minus. That means it does not allow the sudden voltage changes through the capacitor. Simply it acts as a short circuit. That means it continues the voltage. It does not allow, capacitor does not allow sudden changes in voltage. That means there is no sharp rise like this. There is no sharp rise. It does not allow the sudden change or decrement through the capacitor. Correct? This is about the initial condition. Once again here this is the capacitor here. Capacitor, voltage across capacitor is equal to Q by C. That means there exists a Q charge. If there is a charge on capacitor, then there exists a voltage. Now again the relation between charge and current is Q is equal to minus infinity into I of t dt. Again what is current is equal to ampere. Ampere coulomb per second. That means to establish a charge on capacitor, we must pass some current through some time. Current through the capacitor through some time, then only charge established on the plates. Now the terminal voltage relationship is V is equal to 1 by c integral minus infinity I of t. Now coming to the initial conditions. Okay, using some basic equation, V of t is equal to minus infinity t into I of t. That means the present value of voltage not only depends upon the present value of current, it also depends upon the previous history of current. That's why this element is a memory element. Already it is no energy storage. Okay. Now coming to the initial conditions, this expression subdivided into 3 parts. Now if you require, I want to calculate V of 0 plus. Based on this based on this equation, v of 0 plus is equal to written into two forms. Now coming to this one, 1 by c integrates 0 minus to 0 plus. This is 0 minus 0 plus, very small. This area is very small. This area also very small. Coming to the integration, this one becomes 0 because integration, suppose that is a constant 5. Suppose this is 5. 0 minus to 0 plus 5 into t. 5 into t, 0 plus minus 5 into 0 minus. This value is same. Subtraction is equal to 0. Now v of 0 plus is equal to, okay, this expression. This expression can be written as v of 0 minus. So initial condition is v of 0 plus is equal to v of 0 minus. Okay, this indicates that the capacitor does not allow the sudden changes in voltage. Simply it allows the whatever the change. Previous v of 0 plus is equal to v of 0 minus. So that is about initial condition and capacitor. Now summary of capacitor initial values is, this is 0 minus 0 plus, this is a t is equal to infinity. Now this is the capacitor. We are considering the initial voltage is equal to 0. V of 0 minus is equal to 0. Okay, according to our previous derivation, v of 0 plus is equal to v of 0 minus. Here the 0 voltage, here also 0 voltage. How to represent 0 voltage? 0 voltage is short circuit. Okay, v of 0 plus also 0. Now coming to the final, t is equal to infinity. Here the capacitor acts as an open circuit. Why it is an open circuit means, this is the capacitor. Okay, already we know the concept. If we apply some current through the capacitor, at finally what happens means capacitor charge. Capacitor charge means it acts as a voltage source. So the finally it will act as an open circuit. In open circuit there exists a voltage. Current may be 0, but voltage, there exists a voltage. That's why at t is equal to infinity, the behavior is an open circuit behavior. Open circuit behavior, there exists a complete voltage. Now coming to the case 2, initial voltage v of 0 minus is equal to some voltage v naught is the initial voltage. Now coming to the t is equal to 0 plus, same voltage v0 here, here also v0. Now in this case it acts as a voltage source, same as in inductor. In this case it acts as a current source, here it is act as a voltage source. And coming to the final, in the final cases at initial value is 0, it is an open circuit. Here also it is, initial value is v0. In addition to v0, it acts as an open circuit. Again between voltages, same voltage. V0 voltage only. This is the summary of capacitor initial conditions. Now consider the simple problem on capacitor. Okay, already we studied the basic in first unit also. Okay, here the current signal is applied to the capacitor. Now consider the initial voltage across capacitor is 0. This is the basic equation relation between voltage and current. Initial voltage is equal to 0 to t. Now consider the signal is, current signal is, this is a 10 ampere current. Okay, applied between 0 to 5 seconds. Now the what is the voltage across, voltage developed across capacitor. Now the voltage developed across capacitor is, by using this expression 1 by c, 1 by 2, here the capacitor is 2 farad into 0 to 5, current I dt, 10 into dt, that is equal to around 25 volt. This is the maximum. Okay. Now here the maximum here, this is the expression is 5 into t, v of t is equal to 5 into t. Okay. Now here around it will be entered here. At 5 seconds it is 25 volts. Okay. Now here what happened after 5 seconds? Now try to draw the waveform of t greater than 5 seconds. Now already we know the concept. What is the concept? Initial condition v of 0 plus is equal to v of 0 minus. Similarly here v of 5 plus is equal to V of 5 minus. Whatever the voltage here, previous voltage, it will maintain as it is. Because here the input signal is current signal at 5, it will come down to 0 amperes current. Now current in this part, after 5 seconds, current is equal to 0. Even though current is equal to 0, there exists a voltage. That voltage is 25 volts constant. It maintains a constant 25 volts even after t greater than 5 seconds. Okay, the 1 second here is the given current duration is only 5 seconds. Up to 0 to 5 seconds, the input signal current signal is 10 amperes. Then the voltage developed across capacitor is slowly increases. What is the expression V of t is equal to, this expression is 5 into t, 5 into t, not exact linear, 5 times t. Then slowly, then at maximum 25 volts. Then at greater than 5 seconds, the voltage across capacitor, okay, 5 plus and 5 minus. V of 5 plus is equal to V of 5 minus. Okay, based on the initial condition concept, the voltage before 5, after 5 is same voltage. Okay, now coming to this circuit. Now greater than 5 seconds, current is equal to 0. Observe the signal here. Current is equal to 0 current. Current is equal to 0 means it is an open circuit. Current is equal to 0. It is an open circuit. Previously, the voltage across capacitor is 25 volts. 25 volts, it maintain a constant. Okay, like that, we can easily try to draw the waveforms across capacitor based on the initial value conditions. Right? Thank you.